Hello and welcome back to my channel, friends. I am super excited today to I'm taking you guys to a place called Restaurant Depot, and this place you need to have a membership, and the membership is only been given to people who owns restaurants or either in the food industry business. So you need to have a member in order to go here, and I am super excited, and I always hear that you get very good deals on a lot of things because it's a place there where you get cheaper price. Who does not like cheap things, right, friends? So it's my first experience, and also I wanted to share with you guys. So here we are at Restaurant Depot, friends, and I hope you like the vlog, and please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like, share and comment, friends. And one other thing, I'm also excited that I'll be speaking most of the blog in my language, which is Shachok. It's like my mother tongue, which is spoken in eastern part of Bhutan. So I'm also excited for that.
Still got yellow box. Huh? 734 case. Too expensive. Namniro? Pay tong chungdeki on the box. Expensive more dikli. Oh my pay tong nega. It's Abache harala. Costco buscan angelani. So it's 95. Huh? Zakor sharangam nani? Sharangam cha zakor. Ay bakini namniro ni aluminium foil dang me ahnang mang bo phir. Maybe ahnang ka bo phigla. Ni ada plastic of fork tang spoon, but maybe it's cheaper here than you lagai? I don't know. Have to go lamo. Huh? Costco wo umtron yung pin. Have to go. My own serving spoon girl on the box. Oh, the bun here now. Haven't you pay? Utubak mangi, my own mangi. So surang tree and husband. Oh. Oh, nang karang obe. Yalla, mungkin. Hah? Hang. Down mo. Uy. Bounty la toilet paper hana yung pala. Refill mabula? Down ka? Lambo madhong mela ko nisyo. Katang zakpa. Yalla. Ha? Unyo mangi. Unyo ningi kan me optira kan ke hamaga udo 99 cents store ga nyongcha. Udo the made in USA. Made in USA oma tu thong na wa tha ga pura made in China nyongcha. Oh. Pint gala soup container heavy duty ningi udo ikemo. Pero Miss Thor me namiro unu dang ni Unu tiramisu ni anak ata unu dang. Oh unu carrot cake ata bundel khilna namniro.
Ready lai?
Pura. Yalla pura la ni rokta tha. Yalla ice cream la. Yeah. Huh?
Gari shukre gari bang beredu.
Rebe we. Nam ni rong me usa. Appetizer juice pedang me ala ga jaxle appetizer wak tha bundan fry fintan bile thusla. Ako je chicken wings la hangrang la ni. Chicken. Now cream me? Coffee cup jam mancha? Huh? Cream uso. Coffee ka dah sefin jam me. Coffee simple le. Thai machi thoro. Par udu simple cha.
Coffee tu boleh gila coffee.
Coffee? Coffee oh nang karang ube?
Mana kau? Lela ala ala.
Jigi chome? Aka uche biscuit seasoning yolam noksna solo book pe undo bunthal. Kan grinder ka use ala kamni solo book pe quality le ko adha hoto. Grinder ka pinthan ne grinder lis khina membro. Kojelo ni shama lang pe ni non. Adha coffee brew wale yola. Instant cho nang ka cha yola. Instant coffee mola. Ai ba ke lamba thong ma ofla chao fi ofta.
मैं ओमदेनो छोड़ अल्लाह को कॉफी है
कुछ ना उसे जो होता थान थान लाम को दे देनी होता था ये oh
Yeah, that's what I said. He's coming. Okay.
sir where do you get instant coffee
Instant coffee.
I don't see it
We don't have any instant coffee. We used to have Senko right here, but we don't have it no more.
no I don't see it
Yes, we used to have Senko, but we don't have it
oh
anymore.
okay thank you
That's the only instant coffee we have.
okay more than go much order
Oh, yeah. Coffee?
instant coffee pura 70 gyola 24 something per pound ga gyola me oh pura pruskan la ko mai 5 pound la 500 100 something mang gyola nom tala per pound ga 100 pound theli gyola titir go chale titir gila nyo tamarind Shama lang pilang ko tanano. Titrigla. Huh?
And friends, I know some of you, some of my viewers might not like this, and if you don't want to see the meat being, how we actually make beef jerky at home, if you don't want to see it, please you can stop it right here so you would not have to see the next clip. Okay, thank you for watching. So after a long day of shopping, getting back home, this is how we actually make shakam. Just wanted to share with you some glimpse of it, and I'm sorry if some people don't like it. I know some people might find it gross, but I'm extremely sorry for those people. And friends, I just want to give you a small tip on to make your beef jerky really easy to break once it's dried. Is the how you actually cut your meat. When you see how I'm slicing it, you have to cut it against the grain, friends. Okay, so this is how you cut it, and once you make a thin string of it, and when it's dried, it's like very nice, you know, you can just break it easily. And friends, you know, your knife might be very sharp, so just be careful if you're making your beef strips or like making it this way. So you just have to be careful. Expert in cutting meat.
Yeah.
Make sure come.
Master butcher.
See, this is how you have to make your earning here in America, cutting meat.
Here is Lalita.
Ringleader.
And then Ramu Kaka is here. And Govinda is taking the picture.
And we dried in the this is actually our cloth drying rack. This is how we are going to dry it. Just look at it, friends, how beautiful it looks, the color of it. And make sure that tomorrow you just make a turn like this. I will show it to you guys tomorrow too. So Shakam in New York, friends. Super excited.